session, we are going to discuss about infinite geometric series. In infinite geometric series, so we have here your formula. Your formulas is S infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus 8. So, infinity yung nakahigang parang number 8. So, that is infinity. So, nagkakaroon ka lang ng sum of the infinite of geometric if and only if ang R mo is in between negative 1 and 1. Okay? So, nasa gitna dapat siya ni negative 1 and 1. So, meaning, kailangan ang inyong common ratio is a fraction. So, hindi siya po pwedeng tumaas kay 1, hindi rin siya pwedeng bumaba pa kay negative 1. So, kailangan siya ay within negative 1 to 1. Except 0 to except 0. So, that should be the common ratio. Is it clear? So, if R is not in between negative 1 and 1, therefore, the infinite series has no sum. Is it clear? So, kailangan ang ratio mo ay naglalaro lang sa fraction na hindi lalagpas kay positive 1 at hindi liliit pa kay negative 1. Alright? So, let us have an example. Number 1. Find the sum of infinity of the series 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 8 and so on and so forth. So, for us to find it, let us have first the given. So, ang given natin dito is A sub 1, which is 1, and then your R, common ratio. So, you are going to divide 1 half divided by 1. So, the answer is 1 half. So, your common ratio is 1 half. That is it. So, since siya ay in between negative 1 and 1, so therefore, meron sum na nag-i-exist dito. So, you can have your formula. So, the formula for the sum of the infinity of a number is S sub infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus R. So, you are going to substitute lang. So, ang A sub 1 mo, we have here 1 over 1 minus ang R mo is 1 half. So, it is equal to 1 over 1 minus 1 half ay 1 half. So, 1 divided by 1 half. So, we have here 1, multiply mo. So, yung 1 half, find mo reciprocal, magiging 2 over 1. Then, multiply. So, 1 times 2, the answer is 2. So, the sum of the infinity of the series is 2. That is it. So, that is how you are going to find for the sum of the infinity. Is it clear? Another example. Number 2. 25 plus 20 plus 16 and so on and so forth. Let us find for the infinity, sum of the infinity. So, let us have the given. Your first term, we have here 25. And then your common ratio. We are going to divide 20 over 25. So, that is 4 over 5, divisible by 5. So, kung 16 over 20, that is also 4 over 5. So, your common ratio is 4 over 5. So, 4 over 5 is less than 1. And it is a fraction. Alright? So, ito ang ating gagamitin. So, less than 1 siya. So, we have now S infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus R. Just substitute. So, we have your first term is 25 over 1 minus your common ratio is 4 over 5. So, it is equal to, you have here 25. Find the LCD. LCD niya is 5. Then, 5 times 1, we have here 5. Minus 5 divide 5, 1 times 4, we have 4. Then, simplify mo lang to. So, you have here 25 over 5 minus 1, that is 1 over 5. Then, reciprocal. So, S sub infinity is equal to 25, then multiply. Just have the reciprocal over 1, 5 over 1. Then, just multiply 25 times 5. So, the sum of the infinity of this number is 125. Tama ba? Yes, it's correct. So, 25 times 5 is 125. So, that's number 2. Let us have another one. Number 3, we have here 5, 10, 20 plus and so on and so forth. We are going to find for the sum of the infinity. So first, let us have the given. Your given first term, we have here 5. And then your common ratio. So we are going to divide 10 divided by 5, the answer is 2. Then 20 divided by 10, the answer is 2. As you can see, your common ratio is 2. Since your common ratio is greater than 1, hindi siya in between sa negative 1 and 1, means sum does not exist. Does not exist. Okay? So, hindi mo siya pwede nang isolve. Hindi mo masosolve ang kanyang infinity dahil the condition kailangan po siya ay nakapaloob sa negative 1 and 1 only. Is it clear? So, therefore, this series, the sum does not exist. Is it clear? So, let us have number 4. Number 4. 8, 6, 9 over 2, and so on. Let us find for the sum of the infinity. So, we have here a sub 1, we have here 8, and then your common ratio. Let us find. So, we have 6 over 8. The answer here is 3 over 4. Then, if you have 9 over 2 divided by 6 over 1. So, let us try. 9 over 2 times reciprocal 1 over 6. So, we have here, ito magigitong 2, then this one becomes 3. So, 3 times 1, we have 3, 2 times 2, we have 4. So, we have 3/4 and 3/4. So, we have your common ratio of 3/4. So, since si 3/4 ang ating common ratio, therefore, nakapaloob pa rin siya within negative 1 and 1. Okay? So, fraction siya. So, meron itong sum. So, since meron kang sum, let us find the sum of the infinity. So, it is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. Your first term, we have here 8, then over 1 minus 3 over 4. So, it is equal to 8 over LCD, which is 4, then 4 times 1, just copy 4 minus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 3, that is 3. Then simplify. So, you have here 8 over 4 minus 1, that is 1/4. Then, find the reciprocal. So, the sum of the infinity of this one is, we have here 8 multiplied by reciprocal, you have here 4 over 1. 8 times 4, the answer is 32. Sum on to infinity of this sequence, geometric sequence, is 32. We're done. That is it. So, let us have the last example. Number 5. We have 1 minus 2/3 plus 4 over 9 minus 8 over 27. So, let us find the reciprocal, the first term muna. First term, that is 1. Then, for the common ratio, you have here negative 2/3 divided by 1. Ang sagot is negative 2/3. Let us have this one. 4 over 9 divided by negative 2/3. So, let us find the reciprocal. So, you have here 4 over 9 times negative 3 over 2. So, we have here, ito magiging 1, ito magiging 3, ito magiging 2, then this one magiging 1. So, we have here negative 2/3. So, that is your common ratio, negative 2/3. So, since nakapaloob siya kay negative 1, and then positive 1, ayan, negative 1 to positive 1, negative 2/3. So, therefore, there is a sum of this one. So, may sum siya. So, we can compute for the sum of the infinity. So, it is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. Then, let us substitute. We have here 1 over 1 minus. This one magiging negative 2/3. Then, it is equal to 1 over. Since parehas sa negative, magiging plus. 1 plus 2/3 na tayo. Then, it is equal to 1 over, find the LCD, we have here 3. 3 times 1, we have here 3 plus 3 divided by 3, 1 times 2, the answer is 2. So, 3 plus 2 tayo. So, you have here 1 over 5 over 3. then just find the reciprocal. So, s sub the infinity is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 over 5. So, the sum of the infinity of this sequence is 3 over 5. That is it. So, that is your answer. So, that is how you are going to find for the sum of the infinite geometric series. Basta tandaan lang po, kailangan ang common ratio nyo ay nakapaloob lang dito kay negative 1 and 1. Pag sumobra kay 1, there is no sum exist. If bumaba pa kay negative 1, wala rin siyang sum na nag-exist. Is it clear? So, usually, ang makukuha nyo sa common ratio ay fraction. Positive fraction or negative fraction na hindi tataas kay 1 na hindi pa bababa kay negative 1. Is it clear? So, hopefully, naintindihan mabuti ang infinite geometric series. So, that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!